Hi, and welcome to a back release. Lie down on your back and hug your knees into your chest. Close your eyes and just take a couple of deep breaths right here, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. And continue to breathe deep and begin to draw circles with your knees by rolling your knees around, massaging the lower back. And take the circles in the opposite direction. And slowly release. Take your feet as wide as the mat with your knees bent. Bring your knees in towards each other. They may or may not touch. And take your arms out to the sides. With your feet wide, begin to windshield wipe your knees from side to side. Next time your knees go over to the right, keep them there for a couple breaths. And then take it over to the other side. And then roll your knees over towards the right. And either stay here or lift your right foot up off the ground. Take your right foot to the outside of your left thigh and gently draw your left thigh to the right and down. Breathe into your left side waist, into the lower back, into the front of the pelvis. Take your right foot off your left one and then windshield wipe your knees over to the left. Stay here or take your left foot to the top of your right thigh and gently draw your right thigh to the left and down. If you feel any torquing in your knee, just keep your left foot on the ground. Release your left foot down to the ground, come back to center, both knees bent, both feet on the earth. Thread the needle, place your right ankle on top of your left thigh, and interlace your fingers around your left leg, hugging your right shin in towards the chest, lifting your left foot up off the ground. You can stay as you are or reclined pigeon pose. You're going to wrap your arms around your right shin. So right elbow around right knee, left elbow around right foot, and then straighten your left leg out in front of you. You can also do this by bending your left knee, left foot on the ground. Gives the inner thighs a bit more space. Whatever variation of the hip opener you're in, close your eyes and just breathe deep. And then slowly release, half happy baby. Left knee bent, left foot on the ground. Right knee bent, right sole of the foot faces the ceiling. Take your right knee out to the right and either hold on to your shin or your right foot with your right hand. And just breathe here into your groin. Breathe into your side waist. If you want to deepen the stretch, you can straighten your left leg on the ground out in front of you. And then slowly release. Bring your right knee in towards the chest. Interlace your fingers around your right shin and straighten your left leg on the ground out in front of you. Take your right arm out and over to the right. Your left hand to the outside of your right thigh. And next time you exhale, take your right knee out and over towards the left. Reclined spinal twist. As we come into this, just be mindful of your lower backs. If you start to feel any kind of tweaking there, just bend your left knee and put it underneath your right one. Or you can put a block or a bolster underneath your right knee. Breathe into the right side waist. Come on back to center. Interlace the fingers around the right shin again. And then right knee bent, right foot on the ground. Bend your left knee, thread the needle, left ankle on top of right thigh. Hands interlaced around right leg, and then hug your left shin in towards you. Stay as you are or reclined pigeon pose. Wrap your arms around your left shin and either bend your right knee, right foot on the ground, or straighten your right leg on the ground out in front of you. As you come into this, if you notice your head lifts up off the ground, you can always put a block or a bolster underneath your head just so your neck is relaxed. And then if you can, close your eyes and go back to your breath. Happy baby, bending your right knee, right foot on the ground. Grab a hold of your left foot or your left shin with your left hand. Take your left knee out to the left sole of the foot facing the ceiling, and then draw your left knee down by your left outer ribs. You can either keep your right knee bent, right foot on the ground, or straighten your right leg on the ground out in front of you. And then release, hug your left knee in towards the chest. Straighten your right leg on the ground out in front of you if it's not already there. Reclined spinal twist. Take your left arm out to the left. Take your right hand to the outside of your left thigh. And next time you exhale, take your left knee over to the right and down. And again, just be mindful of your lower back. If you start to feel any kind of tweaking there, put something underneath your left leg, like your right one, or a prop. Close your eyes and go back to your breath. And so specifically with a practice like this, we just emphasize the exhales. Just tells the body to soften into what's happening. Come on back to center. Bring both knees in towards the chest. Wrap your arms around your legs. Lift your head up off the ground and bring your forehead to your knees. And slowly roll yourself up and down, rocking and rolling up and down the spine. It doesn't feel great in every spine, so if it doesn't work for you, then just go side to side instead. You're going to make your way up to sit. Seated variation of child's pose with knees bent and feet on the ground. Bring your forehead to your knees and wrap your arms around your knees. And lifting your head up. Finding a comfortable seat of your choice. Feel free to sit on something or to sit against the wall. Nadi, Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. You're going to take your index and your middle finger and either bring it to your third eye center, space in between the eyebrows, or you can bring it into your palm. The choice is yours. And then block off your right nostril with your right thumb and inhale through your left nostril. Hold it and then exhale out your right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Hold it, and exhale out your left nostril. So if holding the breath doesn't work for you, then just breathe deep, okay? Inhale through the left nostril. Hold it. And then exhale out the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Hold it if you can. And then exhale out the left nostril. Inhale through the left. Hold the breath if you can. So holding both nostrils. And exhale out your right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Hold it. Exhale out your left nostril. Inhale through the left. Hold it. And then exhale out the right. Slowly release your hands down. Close your eyes and just feel. Observe the quality of your breath, the quality of your mind. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, bring your chin towards your chest. Begin to do a couple of neck rolls in one direction, drawing circles with your head. If the neck is feeling sensitive at any point, then just do half circles going from side to side instead of back. Take the circles in the other direction. Next time your chin comes in towards the chest, walk your hands forward and just bow forward. Namaste.
If you like that video, you'll probably like these. And if you want more videos, go to my membership site. Either way, let's stay connected.